welcome back to my 12 days of Christmas. We are on day 11. We're almost done, so if you guys have not tuned into the other ones, the previous 10, I will link them in a card right here that you can click on, and I will also link them down in the description box below so you guys can check them out after this video. But yes, day 11, so we are unboxing one by one the advent calendar from LimeLife, which is 12 days of beauty products that you get to unbox. And so if you guys are interested in seeing what we are going to be unboxing today, as well as what lip color I'm wearing today, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Get right into it. Day 11, you guys know the routine. We are going to open up the second last box in our beautiful advent calendar. So, which box? Oh, I'm so mean. I like sneak peek it before I show you guys. So here we are, second last box. You guys, due date, if you guys follow my YouTube channel and Instagram, you guys know how much I love this facial oil. First of all, I love facial oils, and this one is the one that I use to prep anyone's skin before a makeup application, and everybody comments on how amazing it smells. So the skincare, that just went shooting across the room. The skincare in LimeLife is all natural and organic ingredients. So it smells like essential oils. So everyone always comments on how amazing it smells. And it does not matter if you are oily or dry. So if I'm doing someone's makeup, then I will say, like, is your skin oily or dry? I'll give them less or more, because it's good for all skin types, because it absorbs into the skin so good, and it's heaven. Like, everyone loves it. So let's get into the deets on my website about this, and then I'm gonna share a really cool tip with you guys, and then we're gonna talk about like this edgy version of a Christmas lip. Maybe if you guys are bold, some of you, I understand that this lip isn't gonna be for everybody, but I know some of you are like, shit, what color are you wearing? So we'll get into that. But first of all, let's talk about this. Okay, so you guys can find this if you wanted to buy this on its own, you can find it on my website in the boosters under skincare. So go skincare, boosters, and it's in there. So what's a booster? Like, a booster is just like an additional perk to your basic everyday skincare routine, and you definitely want to add this to your skincare routine. So it says, this soothing and aromatic blend of vegetable and therapeutic essential oils reduces inflammation, promotes healthy skin cell regeneration, and it protects the skin from damage. This facial oil can be used alone or with other moisturizers and serums as a part of your daily routine. And for my daily routine, I love, like I said, I love applying it before makeup as sort of like a primer. And I also love it at night after I do like a full cleansing routine. Like I said, like with the masks, if I do the mask of Zen, I will load this oil up on my face, because then my face, when I wake up in the morning, it just looks like so youthful and glowing and all of that good stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you guys my super sweet tip that I have that you guys will just, I don't know, you'll just be so amazed by it, but it's so cool. So when I first started with LimeLife, I was all about their foundation because the coverage is insane. It's insane, and it's good for everyone's skin types. And sometimes people are like, there is no foundation that's good for everyone's skin types, but this is, because it is a wax base. It's highly pigmented, so you can take, if you are used to, or maybe some days you like maybe a liquid foundation, or some people prefer a liquid foundation, or if they have super dry skin, or if you just want to wear sort of like BB cream coverage for the day, you can mix this due date with the foundation. So what you do is just take, this is the back of my tweezers, you can take a back of a brush. You can take a palette knife if you have. Most everyday people don't have a palette knife though, so take the back of your tweezers and you would just scrape out some of your foundation, wipe it here. You would add a drop. Ready? So a little drop, and the more you add, the more it will make it from a liquid foundation to a BB cream sort of coverage. So the more of the due date you add, the more sheer of coverage you're gonna have. So then you just mix this up on your hand and you have straight up liquid foundation. So it acts as a mixing medium, plus you get all the added benefits of the skincare properties in this oil. And then you apply that to your skin. You can just pick up your brush. By the way, if you guys don't have this number 17 brush, you need it in your life. I will link it down below. Just pick it up on your brush like so, rub it all over your face. You will be like, oh my God, Jamie, that was my favorite tip of all time. Because I think it might be my favorite tip out of all of these tips. So anyways, that is my little tip for the due date oil. If you guys have this oil, let me know in the comments below what you think of it, how much you love it. I also forgot to mention that this is refillable. So you can take your big bottle of due date, add some to this, then you have your travel size that is carry-on certified for airlines. Then you have your 2 due dates. You have your travel size and your full size at home due date. So yeah, got so excited about the due date, I almost forgot to talk about what lip color I'm wearing. I'm losing my mind. It's okay, we're almost done. Okay, so this is the color I'm wearing. It is a berry cocoa color, and it is a really, really, really deep plum shade. I absolutely love this color because it's sort of edgy, and yeah, it just gives that little bit of like a pop to your lip. So if you guys did enjoy that little tip, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, you know, the huge, so that you guys are notified when the 2 last videos go live. If you guys have tuned in to all the rest of the videos, thank you guys so much. Mwah, love you guys so much. And if you guys, oh, I forgot to say, if you guys want a little tutorial on this quick, easy, you guys, easy updo, I will link that here as well as down in the description box below so you guys can check that out. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys all tomorrow. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you guys. Bye.